Hello everybody, I'm here to unbox my Blue Yeti. Wow, look at the Blue Yeti mic. Blue is literally blue because it's the 10 years limited edition. 10 years. Comes in this beautiful box. Okay, which I have opened it. Let's see what's inside. Yeah. Open it. Okay, pull it out so you can see, right? Oh, where are you, Blue Yeti? Oh, something here. What color? All right. So on top you got a cable. Okay. Blue Yeti. Voila. Masterpiece of a phone. Ooh, I didn't realize it was so big. Come on out, Mr. Blue Yeti. Alright, what do we have else in the box? Just checking, nothing else in the box. So, there you have it. Blue Yeti. Whoa. La la. Blue Yeti. Looks rather big, isn't it? Woo! Yeah. So we can see below here, we can connect mic and a cable. Alright. In front here is a volume control. Volume, mute. Okay, you can squeeze this to tighten it. Let's see what cable came along with the Blue Yeti. Right. It's a standard USB. Here to this one. So looking below, let me show it to you again. Yep. Up. So yes, this one is for the microphone, and this cable can go here, which is this one. Okay, I'm gonna try to connect it to my iPhone. Let's check it out. Okay, back to my Blue Yeti. Let me show you below. This cable over here is to a USB. Yeah, look at that. It's a USB. Which I've connected to a female USB. Voila. Toop. Nicely done. And this is a lightning connector, which I'm connect directly now to my iPhone, which I'm actually doing the recording. Let's see how the sound sounds like. Alright, come on, plug it in, Oop. Okay, I've plugged in now. I have now plugged in my Blue Yeti to my iPhone, and the light came on. Look at that, the light came on. So let's see. Do I sound different? Blue Yeti? Do I? Really? Okay. Oh, let me turn the knob here. Hello. Now let me plug out the Blue Yeti from the iPhone and see whether the sound sounds different. It is out here. Do I sound different? Testing 1, 2, 3. Plug it back in. And you see the light come on. Boop. Testing 1, 2, 3. Ciao. Bye.